Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from all YouTube channels at once. If you want to mass unsubscribe from all your YouTube subscriptions, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings or gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the option Send Feedback. Tap on it. Then tap Get Started to begin the process. Now, here's where you request YouTube to unsubscribe you from all channels. In the feedback box, type a message requesting the YouTube team to unsubscribe you from all the channels you subscribe to. Be clear in your request and mention that you want to mass unsubscribe from all YouTube channels. Once you've written your message, tap Send. After submitting this request, YouTube will process it within the next 24 hours. All the channels you've subscribed to on YouTube will be automatically unsubscribed. Keep in mind, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to unsubscribe from all your YouTube channels before submitting the request. And that's how you unsubscribe from all YouTube channels at once. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more YouTube tips and account management tutorials. Thanks for watching.